doesn't get more Australian than this.
The great Hills Hoist.
But these true blue icons are hoisting all year round, so they tend to get a bit weathered.
But we have a simple solution, all involving trusty rust guard.
So let's get this Hills hoisting again. It's so easy to paint with rust guard. A few quick steps and you'll have your Hills hoist ready to hang.
First we clean, that's step one. Take some sandpaper and you're ready. Then we saturate a clean, dry cloth with the rust guard solvent and wipe over the surface to clean and degrease prior to painting. This will ensure my paint properly adheres.
Now it's time to prime using Rust Guard True Bite Primer. Mikey, I reckon we're done.
I think you're right, that was simple.
Very easy and very quick.
So quick we can go and have a cuppa now.
Let's go and have a cuppa. We've cleaned, we've primed, and now we're ready for the top coat.
And the best thing is the True Bite Primer together with the Advanced Enamel are the perfect combination because they have quick drying times and it means you get your coats done quicker and you get your job done in a day.
Well, let's get started then.
Today we've gone with a stylish light grey, a colour that will stand the test of time.
Rust Guard really does care about protection. Not to mention protection in all colours. And an 8-year guarantee on the advanced enamel. Rust Guard really recognises the protection, curing, rejuvenating and beautification are all as important as each other. And just like that, we're done.
And it really is that simple.
Let's get this Hills hoist to work and peg up some clothes.
And Mitch, I think there could be a couple of very vibrant shirts that might need a wash and be hung on the line.
I might have one or two.